Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video here on XRP or Ripple. Wanted to do a full update here regarding the technicals, what I expect, what I think is most likely, what the current structure is, and some news as well. So in summary, I'm trying to tell you everything you need to know to make good decisions on what to do with XRP. And then mostly for now, it's trading decisions. I mean, if you're holding spot XRP, it obviously depends a bit on your entry and your average buy price, but ultimately, if you're spot, I would just hold. I think XRP right now is still in that consolidation range, which we have talked about before, and which I have been talking about basically for more than the last week. So it's getting a bit repetitive. But yesterday, obviously, we had some nice movement. We dropped down into that level right here at 2.75, which I'm very happy about. We called in these videos. I always said 2.9, 2.75, those are the main levels to actually keep an eye on. And I even talked about potentially buying from there in the video on Sunday or Saturday. I'm not sure. It's the video called XRP buy levels or buy areas. But we bounced very nicely from that. And in general, I mean, if we just go off of the technicals, and there are some fundamentals that we have to talk about as well, some news a little later. But if we just go off of the technicals, this is very bullish, all right? Getting a move like this, and I know I'm pronouncing bullish wrong, but I've said it for years now. It's very hard to get out of it. Bullish. XRP looks bullish. But strong reaction here, and then what we did to kind of put the cherry on top of the cake is we also reclaimed above 2.9 right here, all right, which I always saw as kind of the bottom of the range. And then we had 2.75 as a potential buffer support zone for if we had a lot of short-term bearish momentum, which we did, obviously, in the markets yesterday. And sometimes on a Monday, on a Sunday, on a Friday, that can happen, right? So those times when the market opens or closes, you can have momentous moves like these, or like this one. But we reclaimed that level, like I said, at 2.9. We reclaimed it with some strong volume. Volume right now is $11.25 billion. I'm very happy with that volume. And then yesterday, so in general, I think we're back into that range, right? So the range for me, the lower bound, even though we dropped down lower, and I still think that as long as we're holding 2.75, we're still bullish. But for me, the main range right here is between 2.9. That's the main support level. And then the main resistance level is somewhere right here. Let's say 3.25. It's a bit of a conservative upper bound of the range, but still. And then the question obviously becomes is that, well, we're back into this range. That's great. Tomorrow we have FOMC, so there is a chance that we de-risk a little bit and that we'll drop back down to the bottom of the range. That's fine. There's nothing wrong with that. That's just intra-range movement, which I don't personally care that much about. Let me quickly change the lighting right here. I don't care that much about that, but yesterday we got some news about Ripple expanding with key licenses in New York and Texas. First of all, I mean, this article looks absolutely shit. So I wouldn't listen to them saying that it could extend its decline to 2.33. In my opinion, that's based on nothing, or at least it's based on something, but nothing credible. But this is bullish news. And what I've always said with XRP is that, all right, if we want to break out of this range, what we need is we need some news. We need some sort of a fundamental catalyst to actually push us above the main resistance level. And this is bullish news, of course. I don't think it's enough to actually get a bullish breakout. All right. And I think the volume also agrees with me on that. I mean, the volume at the height, at the top reached $15.6 billion. It's a lot, but that was mostly volume kind of to protect the bottom and to get back into the range. And you need that volume while the price is going up and reaching resistance. And now the volume is already dropping back down, which is a sign that, all right, well, this was a solid bottom, but that we are going to go back to ranging for now. Now, I'll keep you updated on that. For now, I would say this is most likely. Like I said, keep your eyes on that FOMC tomorrow. That's going to matter. I'll keep you updated on that as well, of course. But that's it for now. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.